Okay, now I'm gonna try to redo the video that I just did. I wanted to show you what I made for Kina for school. Hold on, let me go get it. It's a pillow so she doesn't fall, and down. I put a zipper in it so it has, so you can wash this, and then it has, you know, inside there's a giant pillow, and so it's for her to sit on, or in, really, so she doesn't fall over. I messed up a little bit on the, I never put in a zipper before, so, but a lot of it I did it by hand, but then I passed it over again with the sewing machine, and the piece of material was a loose piece of material, so it was only $2.95, but it had, it wasn't big enough, so I cut it in half, and the one, it's like ribbed, so one of the lines are going up and down, the other ones are going across, but whatever, it doesn't matter. It's awesome, right? You know, this is before I made it. From an old pillowcase, 3 old pillows, and I bought the material for $2.95 and the zipper for 80 cents. And I made it on my little, you can't see that, my little sewing machine. I have a little mini sewing machine that I got for Christmas, which I love. And that's it. I finished it. I just wanted to show it to you. I love you. Bye.